What's up, everyone? All right, well, here we are. Today is day 5 of the small account challenge, trading in TD Ameritrade. It's my 5th day of trading in this account. Now, that has not been 5 consecutive days. It's been spanned over the last couple weeks as I've taken a few days off. I traded my main account, my retirement account, and stuff like that. But in any case, this is the 5th day and another $282 of profit, which is great. So that means now, in the last 5 days, I have made, and I believe this is day 5. I might have to double check. It might be day 6. If it's day 6, forgive me. But in any case, over the last 5 or 6 days, I've made about $1,000. So the account has grown from $2,500 to $3,500. The growth curve right now is kind of slow because I don't have a lot of money in the account. I don't have margin. I don't have leverage. It's a cash-only account, so I can only trade with the cash I have. And so I've been averaging, I guess, around, anywhere from $150 to $200 a day. And today's a little above that average. So I'm happy with that, and I'm going to try to, just keep growing this account. $5,000 is the first line in the sand that I really want to get to. So as always, questions, comments, leave them down below. I'll see you guys for the next recap of the TD Ameritrade Small Account Challenge. All right, everyone, so we're going to break down the trades from this morning. Today is, I believe this is day 5 of trading in my TD Ameritrade account for the small account challenge. And the account is up today $282.05, which is a great day. So now up to just about $3,500, about $1,000 of profit. In this account, I haven't traded it for like 5 consecutive days. I've been trading sometimes every other day. I've had a couple back-to-back days, but I've also taken a few days between trades. Just yesterday, for instance, I tried to take a trade and the order got rejected, and it was really silly, but ended up missing a great trade. So, sometimes that's going to happen. But today, ARMP was the big winner in this account. This was on our watch list pre-market. It was a gapping stock, gapping up 42% pre-market. Currently has 3.6 million shares of volume. It only had about 50 or 60,000 shares of volume pre-market. So it was pretty thinly traded, which initially I was like, oh, I don't know if it's going to work. It's interesting, but we'll see. It ends up actually opening and dipping down to a low. Let's see. Yeah, the low is actually 383. Then it pops up, it breaks through 420. 420 was the entry point, a break at a pre-market high. I didn't take that trade because I, at the time, wasn't sure it was going to work. It rips through 420 right here, and I bought this pullback right here. So this is where I got in my TD Ameritrade account. I bought 300 shares, then I added another 200, and then I added another 100, and I tried to add another 100, and my order was denied, insufficient buying power. I only have $49 of buying power left for today. It ended up, as you can see here, squeezing up to 661. I sold it as it was coming up to 6. I took the just under 50-cent win, and I was happy with that. Generally speaking, in the small account, base hits are the way to go. So I took that base hit, and as you can see, it ended up squeezing up to a high of 669, pulling back a little bit, and then popping up here to high a day right now of 692. Actually, yeah, 692 is high a day. So a quick trade there. This was in the span of about 1 minute or 2 minutes buying this pullback. Let's see, it was actually, how long did I hold this trade? I actually held it for about 4 minutes. So it was like a 4-minute long trade, buying here and then selling as it was squeezing up. So not too bad. I took my starter on this red candle, and then I added down here at 510. So I took a starter, I added, and then I tried to add again as it curled back up. I got partial fills on one of the orders, and then, yeah, my orders were kind of all over the place. But in any case, 600 shares, in and out, $282.05 of profit. So, it's nice to be on a little bit of a winning streak here in the TD account. I think I've actually been green every day except for the first day. The first day, I think I lost like $175 or something like that. And then, actually, I can't even quite remember. But in any case, you guys who are watching this on the recap, you can jump back to day 1. But Day 1 was a red day. It was the first time I've had a red day in a small account challenge, but then day 2 and day 3 have been great, day 4, day 5. So on a little hot streak here, and first target is to grow the account up to $5,000. So I'm $1,000 in the right direction. I started with $2,500 in the account, so now I've got $3,500. So $1,000 in 5 days, $200 a day on my average there. And really, it's only going to get easier as the account grows because I'll have more and more and more buying power. Today, I could only buy 600 shares of this stock. Well, tomorrow, I'd be able to buy closer to 700. The next day, a couple more green days, I'll be able to buy closer to 800, 900, 1,000. And then a 50-cent breakout with 1,000 shares is, $500. So the profits will follow as my account grows. But I also have to be careful because if I grow the account up to, let's say $5,000, and then I can afford to buy $5,000 worth of stock, and I take a really bad quality trade and I lose, $1,500 or something like that, all of a sudden I'm going to, have a lot less buying power the next day. It's going to take me a lot longer to dig myself out of the hole. So I've got to be a little careful. But right now, the focus is growing the account, taking the base hits, and this is another great day in the small account challenge. I won't be able to trade any account tomorrow. I don't have any buying power, only $49. So no trades tomorrow, but I'll have all of the buying power available the day after tomorrow. All right. Cash settlement period is 2 days. So no trades tomorrow, but I'll come back at it day after tomorrow. All right, so that's it for the small account challenge. Those of you guys watching this as a recap, leave your questions, comments below, and I'll come back and answer them later.
Hey, have you seen my most popular video on YouTube? It's got over 5 million views. You can check it out right here, and check out one of my other videos on YouTube right here. I hope you guys enjoy, and as always, if you have questions, leave them down below in the comments section. I personally respond to every comment that's posted.